Hello everyone. Welcome to the Management Loop. Are you struggling to land your dream job? Your resume might be the culprit. In today's competitive job market, it's crucial to make sure your resume stands out from the crowd. Here are the top 5 things you should not miss in your resume, along with expert advice to help you ace your job application. 1. Clear and concise formatting. Keep your resume clean and easy to read. Use bullet points, headings, and white space to organize your information effectively. 2. Relevant work experience. Tailor your resume to the job you're applying for by highlighting relevant work experience. Focus on achievements and quantify your impact whenever possible. 3. Skills and keywords. Include a skills section that showcases your relevant technical and soft skills. Use keywords from the job description to optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems, ATS. 4. Education and certifications. List your education and any relevant certifications or professional development courses. Highlight academic achievements and honors, especially if they're related to the job. 5. Contact information. Don't forget to include up-to-date contact information, including your phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile. Make it easy for recruiters to reach out to you. Finally, expert advice from HR. Customization is key. Tailor your resume for each job application to highlight the most relevant qualifications and experiences. Keep it concise, aim for a one-page resume, especially if you're early in your career. Focus on quality over quantity. Proofread thoroughly. Typos and grammatical errors can make a bad impression. Take the time to proofread your resume carefully or ask a friend to review it for you. By following these expert tips and including these must-haves in your resume, you'll increase your chances of catching the attention of hiring managers and landing that interview. Don't let a lackluster resume hold you back. Take charge of your job search and put your best foot forward.